So you watched a video about Van Gogh and the type of work that he did and he painted. You learned a little bit about his life. And what we're going to do is we're going to create our own version of Starry Night. So today what I want you to do is I want you to take a look at these different types of lines. Lines can be used to create movement, and that is what we're going to do. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to take those lines and we're going to create our drawing of our version of Starry Night. So the first thing you want to do is turn your paper. You want your paper to be landscape. And I'm going to draw a line about the middle of the page, and I'm going to make it kind of wibbly wobbly. We don't want it to be straight, going across the paper. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to start a little bit above this. And I'm going to do a diagonal wiggly line going down. Then I'm going to get rid of this line here. I'm going to come here towards the middle. It could be off to the side if you like. And I'm going to do a winding road, a winding line. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to start small at the top. But as I go down, watch what's going to happen. As I go down to the bottom of my paper, I'm going to widen up that space so that it's wider towards the bottom. Then I'm going to turn this so that you can see it. Come here and do a diagonal line coming across this way, going under the road a little bit here and coming to there. I have a couple more things to draw. And I think I'm going to stretch this out. I don't really care for that. So I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to leave this line going like this. Okay. So part of the Starry Night has stars and a moon in it, really big moon. So you can take a round object and you can trace around it. I'm going to, let's see, should I use this? It's round at the top and not at the bottom. Well, I'm going to freehand it. So I'm going to put quite a big, large moon here. Excuse the dog. That's Mr. Pickles. Okay, there's my moon. And I'm going to draw 7 stars. And you want to make them round. So, and you see how large that is? That's quite large. You want to keep it large because it's easier to color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to do 7 right here. So now we've set up our drawing, and tomorrow we are going to add movement into our drawing, and we're going to add movement. You see those lines over there on that line paper? We're going to create movement with curvy, wavy lines and so forth going through the sky and through our earth. Once you're finished drawing this right here, take a picture of it in your graded sketchbook, and that's all you have to do for today.